What if I told you that one raw clove of garlic, dropped into a glass of warm water, could do more for your body than half the pills sitting in your medicine cabinet? I didn't believe it either until I tried it for 30 days straight. What happened to my blood pressure, my skin, and even my waistline made my doctor stop mid-sentence during my checkup. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why millions of people around the world are starting their mornings with this strange, pungent little ritual, and why you might want to start tomorrow. But first, let's talk about what garlic water actually does inside your body.
Welcome to Dr. Food Science, where we break down the truth about what you eat, one bite at a time.
Before we dive in, if you care about natural health tips that actually work, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and tap the like button. It helps this channel keep bringing you science-backed health content every single week. Now let's get into it. Garlic water is exactly what it sounds like. Crushed or sliced raw garlic steeped in warm or room temperature water. But the magic isn't in the garlic alone. It's in what happens when you crush it. When garlic is cut or crushed, it triggers an enzyme reaction that produces a compound called allicin, the same compound responsible for garlic's strong smell, and the same compound scientists have studied for decades because of its powerful effects on the heart, the immune system, and even blood sugar. Letting crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before adding it to water allows allicin production to peak. That's the secret step most people skip. One of the most talked about benefits of garlic water is its effect on cardiovascular health. Garlic has been studied for its ability to help relax and widen blood vessels, which can support healthier blood pressure levels. It's also linked to modest reductions in LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, when consumed consistently over time. For people managing borderline high blood pressure or looking for a natural addition to their heart-healthy routine, a daily glass of garlic water is often mentioned as a simple, low-cost habit. Of course, it's not a replacement for medication. Always talk to your doctor before making changes if you're on blood pressure treatment. Garlic has a long history, going back thousands of years, as a natural remedy people turn to during cold and flu season. Modern research backs some of this up. Compounds in garlic appear to support immune cell function and may help the body respond more effectively to common colds. Some studies even suggest people who consume garlic regularly report fewer sick days and milder symptoms when they do catch something. That doesn't mean garlic water is a magic shield, but as part of a balanced diet, it's a small habit that may give your immune system extra support during the seasons you need it most. Here's something that surprises people. Garlic water may support metabolism. Sulfur compounds in garlic have been linked in some studies to fat-burning processes and improved insulin sensitivity. Combined with warm water first thing in the morning, which itself can kickstart digestion and hydration after a night's sleep, many people report feeling less bloated and lighter within just a couple of weeks. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help the body fight oxidative stress, one of the key contributors to visible aging and dull skin. Some people who drink garlic water daily report clearer, more radiant skin over time, likely connected to garlic's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties working from the inside out. It's also often described as a natural detox drink, supporting liver function, since the liver relies on sulfur-containing compounds, which garlic is loaded with, to carry out its detoxification processes. Here's the simple method. 1. Crush 1 to 2 garlic cloves. 2. Let them sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin. 3. Add them to a cup of warm, not boiling water. 4. Optional. Add lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey to cut the sharpness. 5. Drink on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. So, 30 days later, was it worth it? For me, absolutely. My energy felt steadier, my digestion improved, and yes, my doctor even asked what I'd changed. Garlic water isn't a miracle cure, and it's not going to replace real medical care. But as a small, consistent, natural habit, it might just be one of the most underrated wellness rituals out there. If this video helped you, that's exactly why I make these. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next natural health tip. And tell me in the comments, are you going to try garlic water tomorrow morning? I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay curious.